Alright, hello. So today I'll do a daily review, not a trade recap because I didn't trade today. Just forward tested because there wasn't really a good entry for me, as well as I wasn't home, so I couldn't trade. I tried trading off my phone, but I don't really like trading off my phone. So just go over what happened today and what trade I could have took, what just everything overall. So yeah. Um, let's start off the daily. So yesterday I said I was expecting it to be bullish, but we did enter this order block right here, right? To enter this order block. So I watched price and ride when I finished the first video. Price just dropped crazy. So what we can see clearly right here is there was also this order block, which I said I wasn't expecting it to go to. Well, it did go to, actually just ran through the order block. So what we can see here is we have an open low high close candle, a bullish candle, and the next candle was an open high low close, right? And it was with huge displacement, right? He took out this candle, displaced through this candle, right? And to displaced through the order block. So what we could have expected for today was weird. No, not weird. It was pretty straightforward, but price just didn't give much from my part at least. I was bearish until a PD array. I'm gonna show in a second. So I was bearish, basically just waiting for go down and then go up. So yeah, let me just take out my drawings. So on the weekly, we have this volume imbalance, right? This volume imbalance between this candles close and this candles open. There's a big volume imbalance, and we went straight into that. That was my bias, right? The candle opens, goes down, rises up. Um, and that did happen. So let's see on the closer look what happened, right? So what we can see is price. We left this huge fair value gap yesterday. 4 hour fair value gap, and we can see price at 1 a.m. Actually at 9. Oops. Let me fix it. Yeah. At 9 it went in. This is Asia session. 9. This is 9 my time, right? So that's basically Asia session, right? Just went in. Uh, then next candle opened, swept the previous candle high with an SMT with the S&P. You see here he didn't take it, and here he did take it. That's a good sign, right? So we went in, took previous candle high with an SMT, and we went lower. If you go on the 1 hour, there was also a breaker block right here, right? Because we got a high, low, higher high, lower low. This is also a market structure shift, but yeah. Also from yesterday, we could see this was a market maker sell model, right? I didn't notice this, right? There were these equal lows that wanted to be taken. It's like a trend line as well. You can see this is like, yeah, but it's relative equal lows basically, and it's in the a consolidation, right? The original consolidation. At the consolidation, up, the accumulation, small money reversal, down, took it, boom. And we're just seeing right now this as our original consolidation. That's what I think. I think yesterday we accumulated this original consolidation. We went down and I believe this is a smart money reverse. I'm sorry, a smart money reversal, and we will rise back up to take this because we have all these equal highs, right? We have 1, 2, 3 equal highs right here. We'll probably take them, right? Yeah. So we have this breaker block, 1 hour, and we went right into that. Went lower. This is a market structure shift. I marked that as a market structure shift on the lower time frame, on the 15-minute, because we did sweep on the London session. But before the London kill zone, we swept Asia highs, went down. From the PD array, we went into this, right? So it's a high, low, higher, high, lower, low, off of a PD array, a hard time frame PD array. So that's the market structure shift, even though it doesn't look like a good one, right? Wicks, yeah, okay, it's still, it was the consolidation basically. So yeah, but still was a market structure shift from what I believe, and it did work out. Anyways, so market structure shift. What I was looking for is a retracement to a higher time frame PD array, right? That didn't happen. Well, I think it did happen. We had this order block right here, but price already went into there and went into there again, sweeping this and dropping. We could, see how, yeah, this went here, went up, swept this, went down. But even if it somehow, we tried to find something here, we wouldn't. So we could, actually we can mark this out, right? This is an order block because we went under this body, we displaced through this body, an order block. Boom. If you go on the 30-minute, still an order block, 15-minute order block, so yeah, it's an order block. So we went to the order block once, down once, again, and we had these 3 candles right here. We ran through them, we displaced through them. I didn't count this as much, like I wasn't looking for anything through here. I was just watching, I saw this as another market structure shift on the lower time frame again. Looked for retracement to what? Nothing. Again, an order block. I don't trade order blocks, so this for me is pretty much nothing. This also a rejection block. Yeah, for me, nothing here. Then we can see when we ran through all these, we made this order block. Especially we can take all these 3 as an order block, right? Because there are 3 consecutive candles, up candles, and then we ran through them all. So this is basically the order block, but I like to take this one candle, and it did go to the one candle. This candle, I believe this candle is always the superior one, other than this. So yeah, went into there, and we can see when it went in, it just crashed. It crashed like crazy. Yeah, so you can see, boom, went into there. There was also this another order block right here. This order block. This for value gap. No. Iwan ko sa barangko. Uh, yeah. And the thing is, it just straight dropped. There wasn't really anything for me to take. I usually trade the 5-minute time frame, right? And you can see just went one. Here, this was another market structure shift, but then it just straight went down. And I was looking on the 1-minute. We got this market structure shift right here again on the 1-minute. Right, I could have caught this retracement to the to the volume imbalance and just traded off that. Could have. Doesn't matter. I didn't want to, right? I usually like to trade the 5 minute. Oh yeah, this also, yeah, this right. This was the volume imbalance. You could have got on here. Another thing to add is you can see how price went into the order block, and this candle swept the previous candle high and went down. So we could expect the next candle to be an open high low close delivery, right? And since we went all the way down here, there was this order block now, which posed a little bit of resistance. Still went down. After this candle, we could have definitely expected, you know, for next one to be bearish, for next one to be an open high low close delivery. Yeah, I could have taken this, but there wasn't enough confirmation for me. Even though there was this microstructure shift, I don't know, I just didn't take it. Didn't look into it as much. I just watched as the market dropped, and there were many, I think. Yeah, wait, if I look here, there wasn't really anything you could have entered off. Here it didn't retrace into this fair value gap. Here it retraced into the order block. These two candles consecutive. It retraced into the order block. Actually, here you could also take this fair value gap, right? Retrace into here. We would have gotten a little bit of drawdown, but it's fine. Went lower. Here's nothing, right? Because we were close to the imbalance. And after I saw the imbalance happening, I was looking to get in, but I was looking on my phone, so I couldn't really. I don't know. I just didn't get on my phone. Did take it, but this is a 2.26 hour trade. Very nice trade. If I feel like, very nice trade. I put my TP here because these are equal. Yeah, even though these are just candles. On the lower time frame, they're equal highs, relative equal highs. So just mark those out as my TP. Yeah, we can see price went in. Boom, just barely tapped in. We can see again another good example. We went in, tapped in, went back. The next candle did an IOFED, an institutional order flow and entry drill. It swept the previous candle low, went up quickly, and we could have expected the next candle to be open low high close delivery, and the next one too, and the next one too. And what we can also see here, which I was noticing while I was looking at this, is we're making a new range, right? This is how you make a new range. If you know the PDA matrix, right? You know how PDA matrix looks like, right? We got the rejection block. After rejection block, there's the order block. Then we also have the breaker block, this candle, and yeah. After that, what do we expect? When I was here and I was looking at it, and the next candle opened, I see we getting displacement, right? Like we need a displacement because after all these, you make what? And a fair value gap, right? But after breaker block and everything, there's a fair value gap. So we made this fair value gap. So price went up. We went up into this fair value gap right here. So I expected a retracement. What would the retracement be into? This fair value gap, which it didn't go to. I wanted to enter off of this one first, right? This fair value gap, and take and keep the same entry basically, the same TP basically. But yeah, I saw this kind of didn't go in there, And I see we made this small little fair value gap, and even though it's small little fair value gap, it still counts. And I saw that there was also this breaker, which was close, was actually in the fair value gap and below this candle. So I kind of like watched. My entry wasn't really here. It was like, yeah, somewhere here. Just kept it here, and I saw it enter, sweeping the previous candle low, uh, entering the fair value gap, entering the breaker, and slowly and going up. So just entered. I like placed this as an entry. I didn't actually enter. It was a forward test. Like I didn't take this. I was on my phone doing this, and yeah, just let it go up. So right, we see this is an order flow entry drill, institutional order flow entry drill, right? Boom. We expect the next candle open low high close. Boom. We went down. We made this order block, right? So now I had resistance. I knew this was an order block resistance. Another order, we made this candle. Okay, it was a inside candle consolidation. Boom, went up. Order block. I just kept getting up, she kept getting up. And here it swept this high. I thought it was gonna at least go up here and then go down, but no, just tricked me basically. Yeah, I just retraced a little bit into this order block. This order block right here, these two candles. Not much of an order block, it's nothing much, but something. And then we just, yeah, got the displacement, so yeah, went up. And I marked this out. This is the end of, this is the fill of the, um, this candle. I think it was the 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, it was the fill of this 15-minute fair value gap. I wanted to fill it, maybe go into the order block. At least fill this fair value gap. The reason though, yeah, fill it like to the brim, to the top. It did fill it to the top, but I wanted to keep it through here because of the order block. I didn't want to go all the way because it could oppose resistance. Although it really close still, you know what happened here, right? See this because of this candle, barely just hit it. Yeah. So yeah, but in here, went up there, and then I expected retracement, and it retraced into this fair value gap, right? The 15-minute fair value gap, but another a reason why I didn't take this and why you shouldn't take this because we have nothing to enter. There's no reason to enter here, right? We have no market structure shift, neither on the 5 minute, on the 1 minute maybe. Yeah, on the 1 minute we do have, but oh yeah, here, yeah, not even on the 1 minute we didn't get here we did get one, but yeah, basically on the higher time frames we didn't get a market structure shift, so we're just consolidating now, and that's what I expect. The next days to be, I expect to be bullish now, 100% bullish now, and we have I forgot what I wanted to say. Well, no, that's basically it. I can delete this now. I didn't take this again. Don't blame about me faking nothing. Didn't take this. Was forward test. All right. We also swept this low, this low, right? Also, yeah, that's it. You can see how this also could be original consolidation to a long-term market maker buy model, which I think I already said. Yeah, this I could definitely see us going up there, like I said. And what I want to point out right here is actually, let me delete all these drawings now that I've showed you everything, because it's really just distracting me, to be honest. I have a mess right here. Yeah, guys, so we have our weekly profile, right? Our weekly profile looks like this. Monday, we went up. It's a PD array. Tuesday, we went down. And if you look at the calendar, yeah, I was thinking this when looking at the calendar at the start of the week, right? We have Bank Holiday Monday. That's gonna be probably consolidation, I thought, right? Nothing. It wasn't consolidation, but still didn't. It was just one way up. Nothing much to give us for the weekly uh the weekly profile. Next, we have Tuesday. Tuesday was nothing much as well, just Empire State Manufacturing Index and the two FOMCs. Nothing much again. Was really just nothing. And Wednesday was still nothing. And you know, you always gotta know where you are in the power of three of a uh of the week or the day. Um and I didn't believe that Tuesday would be the manipulation of the week, because it seemed to me weird that Wednesday just only has one yellow folder, right? And Thursday is packed with news, like packed. And I feel like tomorrow I won't even catch anything, because I feel like price is gonna be a little bit too like straightforward. We're not just gonna go up. Doesn't matter. So yeah, weekly profile. You got up Monday, down Tuesday. Wednesday was I don't take my word for this, but for me, Wednesday was the manipulation of the week. And from now we're gonna see higher prices. My my drawn liquidity for now, my long term basically is gonna be this, right? This buy side liquidity of these two candles, right? This is, like I said, the original consolidation. I want this taken out. Now, why would I expect bullish when? Yeah, what would I expect bullish? Is first of all, we went into a hard time frame PD array, and we have still not sure. I still can't tell. It could like reverse on me again, like it did yesterday, like when I said it's gonna be bullish and stuff. But for now, what I can see is an institutional order flow entry drill, right? We swept previous day, which is a significant liquidity pool, like the previous day, low and high is a significant liquidity pool. So previous day low into a PD array, which is a institutional again institutional order flow entry drill, and we reversed quickly, right? We didn't spend much time here, like you can see. Went in and out quickly. Didn't spend any time in here. And again, we're getting my consolidation here, so I don't expect anything more to happen today, since we had the most volatility on the New York session, the New York AM session, right? Also, I want to look in S&P. Another thing I was expecting, I was expecting price to go into the weekly volume imbalance, because we were retracing, of course we were going down. Also, another thing to notice is, right, we didn't we need consolidation, manipulation, and distribution, right, for the week. And Monday was not consolidation, and Tuesday here is also not consolidation on Nasdaq, but on S&P it is consolidation. It was an inside candle, right? So I take it as really the uh, Wednesday now was manipulation. Tuesday was the consolidation in a way, and I think we're gonna reverse for now from here on. I'm looking to really go above this high on the 1 hour, because if we are framing a midweek reversal, I want to see a 1 hour market structure shift. So yeah, since we went into how to put array, we need to just take on the 1 hour high with the displacement, which we are kind of getting right now. Again, you can see the pattern, right? Rejection block. Nothing. I'm just making it. I think this will be an order block. Could be. Then we need a fair value gap, right? In fair value gap, possibly have our breaker block, which will be these three candles. If we displace above, make the fair value gap, and if we make the fair value gap inside the breaker block, this could also be a swing trade you could take to this buy side liquidity pool. Anyways, yeah, institutional order flow engine drill. Next candle, I'm expecting it to be open low high close delivery, a buy program, right? Go up for it to be a green candle, purple for me. Yeah, I'm expecting it to go up, and since it's Thursday and with a lot of news, like a lot of news and unemployment claims, retail sales, I'm expecting it to just rally a lot. A good rally would be nice, you know. What's this? Oh yeah. Friday continuation for me. What I expect continuation. Uh, yeah, we got these three orange folders. Probably could see continuation. We should see actually. If you're gonna do it, yeah. If you're gonna see that, I hope this week could also be a doji candle. If Friday doesn't continue, this week is probably gonna be a doji candle, which at that point we could probably expect this to be an institutional order for anti-drill into this weekly rejection block. Yeah. We also entered this monthly order block. Right? Yeah. 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 Anyways, I'm expecting tomorrow bullish. But now I won't speculate on more. I'm expecting tomorrow bullish. Overall, week bullish. Again, I'm still sticking to my bullish week bias. Also, this volume imbalance was lining up with order block. This one order block. So high probability. You know, yeah, that's basically it. This is what I'm looking for tomorrow. Hopefully, that's what we get. That's it. It's a long video for a daily review. Yeah, we can also say, yeah, the low of the day. The low of the day was made at 10 a.m. There's gonna be a bullish candle probably, maybe bullish. If it's not bullish, the high of the day was made. Well, overall, the high of the day was made at 2 a.m. Kind of 1:45. Yeah, 1:45 was the high of the day. Since I don't know what candle this is going to finish being, but high of the day 140, 145, 150, whatever. Um, that's it. We didn't get in London to New York OT. Yeah. See ya tomorrow.